This year is the biggest universe yet. It's almost 3 times bigger than any universe.
If I had to describe GitHub Universe with one word, I would say enriching.
It's Nerd Super Bowl.
The con candy machine, the different booths, the different games. It's just a holistic experience.
Demos and donuts.
The branding, the people here.
The effort that went into making it look good, it's beautiful. Like the artwork, the design.
Good morning. It's so great to be here with all of you.
We see a lot of these folks at conferences all around the world, but it's something about Universe, something magical happens.
I loved the keynote today because it really brought in a lot of the things that make GitHub so remarkable. It really made the developer experience front and center.
Universe is a great time to share nerdy things with nerddom.
There's a little video game station where you can get the bugs before they come into your code base. There was a really nice photo opportunity where they took moving photos of us.
All the tools that you hear about, all the interesting mainstream tools, they're all here. And I come here and then see the people working on it and then actually see the demos.
GitHub does care about and get developers and understands that there is more than one type of developer.
We've got everyone from around the world coming to just enjoy software.